Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Shikha Singh. So Mr. How, my question is again for you. With Bitcoin and Ethereum approaching their all-time highs, what factors do you believe are driving the surge in price? And how do you assess the current market sentiment towards Bitcoin and Ethereum compared to the previous bull runs?
Well, one of the key factors is the ETF. I think everybody knows this already. Yeah. Then there's halving and everything else. But Bitcoin actually, it's I wouldn't say what is the driving force. I think I expect it will go much higher. There's more people mining the Bitcoins right now. So that's a contributing factor. And the Ethereum is the same thing, and because it's very popular, and it's the first chain, and with the smart contract, and in the world, and so that's why people there's a lot of followers to that Ethereum, and all of this combined, because there's more awareness on this planet. In this world about the cryptos. Every day people wake up, they might not know, but they definitely get converted to the crypto believer. And so that's why there's more followers to the Bitcoin and the Ethereum and the cryptos overall. So that's why it's I think that's more of the driving force. And the believers, they will definitely support all the cryptos. Not all the cryptos, the major cryptos, and that's what my take.
So Himanshu sir, with the recent discussions around Bitcoin ETFs and potential Ethereum ETFs, how do you see the implications of each on market dynamics?
Certainly it's all going to be positive, I would say. Secondly, there was a cycle before that after every Bitcoin halving for 18 months, there is a bull run.
Right.
And then for again 30 months, it's little bearish market trend, and on the other side, as an asset class, this was considered to be a very volatile asset class. But with ETFs coming in, the volatility will be stabilized in this asset class. And as per me, there would be a continuous bull run. Because if you remember, in gold, when ETF came for the first time in 2005, there was a continuous bull run for 11 years, which was there in the asset class. Because with ETFs, institutional money starts flowing. And at the same time, people's trust also increases in the asset class. So that would be like affecting like positively, very positively to the market.
All right, so my next question is for both of you again. What are your predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum over the next 6 to 12 months, particularly in light of macroeconomic factors? And how do you think the upcoming regulations might affect the performance and adoption of Bitcoin and Ethereum? Mr. Howe, you can go first.
Okay. Regarding the Bitcoin and the future of the Bitcoin and also the Ethereum and major cryptos, I definitely think I just couldn't stress enough. I have great hope for it's going up, and how much, it's very unpredictable. But it's like if you want to hold some asset, you don't want to sell short or sell it right away.
Right.
And so what that means is we want to hold it longer, and for those opportunities, of course, they can do short sell and not short sell. Frequency trading and all that, and that they can do that. But in the long run, Bitcoin will definitely surge to unprecedented level. That and same with Ethereum, and so I would think people would want to go into ETF or hold the BTC, or they have a chance. If I have more money, they can mine BTC, and in a way, which is another option very well. And I refer to Himanshu to elaborate a little bit more on this.
Thank you, Shikha, first of all, for making my job easier by asking Jay to go first. I fully agree with Jay, and as per me, next 6 to 12 months, BTC will certainly cross 100K mark, and ETH should definitely cross 5K mark in next 6 to 12 months. And yes, definitely as political kind of scenarios towards VDI is also getting positive, and more and more regulations are coming in place. So actually, it's always like positive. I'm 100% bullish on market for at least coming few years. It's right time for SafeDeck to establish itself in the market.
All right, so my final question is again for Himanshu sir. So how do you envision SafeDeck evolving in the next few years, particularly in terms of user adoption and technological advancements?
Sure, you have addressed to me, but still finally I would like Jay to add to this, because we share common vision and common goal towards building SafeDeck in coming few years. So what we see is in next 1 to 2 years, certainly more than 10 to 30 million clients onboarded on our various entities, maybe global, maybe India, maybe some other entity in Southeast Asia, or European countries put together. So anywhere between 10 to 30 million or maybe more users, we hope that we have onboarded on our ecosystem. And Jay, I think it's over to you to add to this thing, because we share common goal.
Yeah, sure. I think on top of what Himanshu just mentioned, and we will be exploring many other verticals. And like I said, we have been actually actively engaging the gaming industry, the gaming space. So that's, of course, we want to be fully compliant. And more importantly, we want to use the free games to become the magnet, the lead magnet. And so gaming will be very important to us. And also then there's a payment system and all that. So those actually, the facility, the gateways, the on-ramping, off-ramping, of course, they need help with the compliance side and with the jurisdiction regulatory bodies. And so we definitely, there's one piece missing maybe from other exchanges, that's gaming. And we want to be more dynamic and more diversified. So we are not just put emphasis on the exchange itself, the crypto exchange itself. There's many other markets we're going to explore as well, and we're encompassing the entirely, including the future of the trends and all that.
Since you're talking about gaming, do you think you will be adopting a similar strategy like OKX and Binance, how they launched their own game on Telegram mini apps?
Yeah, we will do that. That's just one of it, and some of them are actually more robust. Like I said, robust, dynamic, and it's not just gaming from the Telegram and from any others. And we will actually using gaming to attract a lot of users, which every other exchange is doing are doing right now. But it's how you promote the games, and the gaming is a little bit different when it comes to the user acquisition, and the game concept is it's also different from the crypto exchange. They bear the different mindset, but definitely we will have more manpower dedicated to this to explore more.
All right. Thank you so much, Himanshu sir and Mr. Hao, for sharing your valuable insights on decentralized trading platforms. It's very clear that as the landscape continues to evolve, these platforms will definitely play a crucial role in shaping the future of digital asset trading. And we appreciate your time and expertise, and we look forward to seeing how the space develops in the coming months. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And last thing, I want to wish the Diwali, happy Diwali.
Thank you, Shikha, and even I would like to wish happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year to all the viewers of 3.0 TV. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.